Countrywide Public School organized a fun-filled and educational summer camp to provide students with a valuable experience beyond the classroom. Through a perfect mix of activities, the camp focused on the all-round development of children, mentally, socially, emotionally, and physically. During the summer camp, students enjoyed expressing their creativity through art and craft. They showcased their talents and built confidence through dance and music activities. Daily yoga and fitness sessions promoted a healthy body and calm mind. Exciting team activities and games helped develop leadership and collaboration skills. Interactive robotics sessions introduced students to the world of technology and innovation.
Good morning, we are the students of class 6, 10, 7. Today we have prepared this automatic sensor. Firstly, we connect the wires in red loop. After that, we connect some wires with the IR sensor and then with the and after that, we connect the wires in both the switchboard and then open.
The summer camp was a joyful journey of learning, creativity, and discovery. Students grew through fun-filled activities that nurtured both skills and confidence. Countrywide Public School looks forward to creating more such meaningful experiences.